Hello everybody, I hope you are doing great. So let's get started with our new project. So today we will be configuring the Bluetooth module's name and password using Arduino UNO. So what things we will be needing? An Arduino UNO board that you can see on the screen, a Bluetooth HC-05 module. We will be also using few of the jumper wires to connect our Arduino UNO board with the Bluetooth module, and we will also use a breadboard and a USB cable for connecting our system or laptop with the Arduino UNO board. As you can see on the screen, the USB cable is there that we have to use with Arduino UNO. So let's get started with the connections. So we will be connecting the jumper wires, ground with the ground pin of the Arduino UNO, VCC with the VCC board of the Arduino UNO, RX of Bluetooth module will be connected to the RX of Arduino UNO, and TX of Bluetooth module will be connected with the TX of Arduino UNO. These are the connections. So after giving power to the Arduino UNO board, you can see that the Bluetooth starts blinking. So for making it, for configuring it, we have to connect the enable pin with the 3.3 volt so that it comes in the enable mode. Now the board is ready for configuration. Now when you will power the Arduino UNO board, you can see that the blinking time period increases and it blinks for 2-3 seconds. And let's jump to the system. So you will be using 80 commands for configuration of Bluetooth module. So open the select the right board and baud rate, and then this is a serial monitor. Change few of the things like change the baud rate to 38400 and the another one to both NL and CR. After configuring, just send few of the commands to the to the Arduino UNO. Send 80, you will be seeing one OK comes. If it comes, then it is in the configuration mode. Everything is working fine. Now let's change the name of the Bluetooth module. So for that, 80 plus name is equals to whatever name you want to give to your Bluetooth module. You will be sending that. So I want to change it to IoT with me. So after writing, just press enter and you'll see one more OK came. That means the name has been changed. Now the password changing is going to take place. So now you will be writing 80 plus PSWD is equal to whatever password you want to change it to. Now one more OK came. Now the new name and password has been configured. Now this is our phone screen. When you switch on the Bluetooth and search for available devices, you'll see that the device comes. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you and have a very nice day ahead. Please like, comment and share my video if you liked it, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.